Did play in 15 games for the Warriors last season, but spent most of his time in the G League as Curry buries a three.
Boy, he's flat shooting it right now.
Nice look inside from Thompson as Jones wedges it in, plus the foul.
Willingness to mix it up, so just a little pick and roll. Really nice job to put the pass right where it needs to be. What about the pace last night? It's one of the fastest games we've ever seen. So fun, nice pass, Draymond. That's the question for me is
on catch and shoot attempts, and you know when you play with LeBron James, you're going to get those chances. Curry the lob, and Jones another finish off a feed from Curry.
How about the lob? Screen, he's just stringing out that post defender who comes out to help. Look, so he occupies Zubac until he can get the ball.
Curry connects.
His team that's going to be defending.
See if Zoo gets a little more aggressive. That might make a big.
Zoo shooting it over the primary defender, and here comes Bale to
compete at a higher level than people are projecting at this point. And Looney. Livingston, he can elevate so quickly.